My dear technician, you're welcome to my new video. I'm making this video because I want you as an apprentice, as a technician, that you want to come and learn work here in Akwa Ibom State in my shop to know this before coming. It is important. Okay, so a lot of people ask me in the comment section of my videos, Father Joe, how much is room here in Akwa Ibom State? Okay, for one single room, how much is it? Okay, so today I will expatiate everything so that when you're coming, you come with the exactly amount of money or more than what I will say in this video. Okay, I don't want you to to look stranded. I don't want you to start thinking, oh, I did not know and that this thing will cost to this point. Okay, I don't want you to start thinking or getting worried. I want you to come and enjoy this work. Okay, so before coming to my physical training, please watch this video so that you will learn a lot before coming. My dear technician, I love you so much. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to all of you. So without time wasted, let me start the video. My dear technician, so when you're coming, first of all, let me start with office address where we are located. We are located at number 24 Eman Junction, Idoran, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. So if you are coming, use the address I just mentioned right now. Number 24 Eman Junction, Idoran, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. So that exactly location that you come and see me live, and let's talk, let's discuss, join my training, and you're good to go. Okay? My dear technician, when you're coming, Uyo is the capital city of Akwa Ibom State. A lot of people here in Akwa Ibom State knows Uyo. So before you come, I strongly recommend, if you're coming from outside Akwa Ibom, I mean you're coming from either Delta State, Edo State, Anambra, Gugi, Sokoto, anywhere that you're coming from, okay? Even is outside Nigeria, from Ghana, UK, Nairobi, any place that you're coming from, okay? You can use Google Map. Search Father Joe Phone Repairs on Google. You will see me, you will see my shop, my address, location on Google Map. Search, you will see me, you will see my address where I am located, okay? So everything is there on Google Map. If you cannot use Google Map, you can ask a friend of yours, or you still need to use internet, or you can contact me, okay? You can contact me either by calling or by sending me WhatsApp message using our official WhatsApp business account. You will see a verified badge to show this is Father Joe Phone Repairs, okay? So beware of scammers, okay? So search for Father Joe Phone Repairs on Google, you will see us, okay? From that, you can use the address to reach my location. Very easy, very simple, okay? Okay, so let me continue. So here in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo is the capital city of Akwa Ibom State. So when I'm talking about Uyo, I'm talking about Plaza, okay? Plaza is a busy place here in Uyo. So if you know Plaza, or if you don't know, you can ask somebody when you reach Akwa Ibom, please, where is Plaza? Please show me or direct me where I can get to Plaza, okay? So when you reach Plaza, you have seen me because my shop is near Plaza, okay? So, but I'm not in Plaza exactly, okay? My shop is not in Plaza, exactly. My shop is a little far from Plaza. So when you reach Plaza, right now that I'm making this video, the transport money from Plaza to where my shop is 500 naira, okay? Right now that I'm making this video, please listen to me. The cost, the price of transport, the cost from Plaza to my shop location is 500 naira. So do not allow anybody to scam you. So that is the price, okay? My dear technician, after getting to my shop, the next thing is congratulations that you have finally reached Father Joe Phone Repair shop, okay? You have reached my shop for the training, okay? So I will congratulate you. We are going to take a picture which I will post online here for everybody to see. that you have finally reached the target point. My dear technician, the next thing is getting apartment. Okay, apartment means where you will stay, getting a room for you. Okay, so that's the next thing, because if you don't have a room, how will you be able to sleep when night comes, till the next day? How will you be able to live? You have to rent an apartment so that you will stay, so that you will eat and do a whole lot of things that you want to do, so that you can be coming to learn the work. Okay, so I have two options for you. Two options for those of you that would like to come from a far distance. Okay, maybe you're from Ghana, you're from Lagos, you want to come here to learn the work. Okay, anyway, normally, first of all, you have to come, then look for apartment here for you to stay. But since the location is far, so I'm going to give you two options. Listen, two options, because I don't want you to waste your transport. Okay, so I'll give you two options. The first option is, listen, my dear technician. The first option is either you will send me money, then I will rent an apartment here for you. Okay, you will send me money and I rent an apartment here for you. You will tell me the type of apartment that you want. Okay, you will tell me everything, like the room you want, one single room. You will tell me everything. Okay, you tell me what exactly you want, then I will tell you the price. I will go and ask the owner, the landlord of that particular compound. Okay, he's going to tell me, then I will now send it to you, everything. Okay, then you will send me the money. I'll pay for the room, so that when you're coming, you will just come straight, then you enter your room. Okay, that's it. That is the first method. The second method is you come yourself and check for apartment for you to stay, so that you can learn the work. Please let me know if you have any question about what I'm saying right now in the comment section. Let me know right now if you have any question about what I'm saying. It is very, very important. I'm doing that phase one so that I will help a lot of you guys that will come from a far distance. Okay, so let me know what I'm saying right now. If it is good for you, let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, the next thing is price of room. Okay, so you may ask, Father Joe, how much is room price here in Akwa Ibom State? So let me talk about it now, so that when you're coming, you will know everything. Okay, so here in Akwa Ibom State, where I'm staying in Uran local government. So it is not a township. Okay, it is a local government. Okay, it is not a township. So have that in mind. Okay, for room here, one single room here start from 3,000 naira up. Start from 3,000 naira up a month. Okay, so if you want a good room that is well furnished, just prepare 4,000 naira. Okay, just give 4,000 naira for that. From 4,000, 5,000 naira can get you a good room that is furnished. I think there will be water and electricity and other things, and the room will be furnished, is 4,000 naira. Okay, if you just want maybe just a small room just for you to, focus on your training till you're done, 3,500 can get you that. For a room of 3,000 naira, I won't recommend. Okay, I recommend the room of 3,500 in 4,000 and 5,000. Okay, so go for those three types of room so that you will enjoy yourself, and not just that, you have peace of mind. Okay, you have peace of mind. There will be water and electricity. I strongly recommend you should go for the one of 3,500, 4,000 naira. That one will be better for you. Okay, let me know now what you think in the comment section. My dear technician, so now let's calculate. I just want to do a small calculation for you. Okay, take for example, you need hardware for 1 year. Hardware for 1 year is 100,000. Okay, then you need a room of 3,500. So let's calculate so that you see everything. So this is my phone, and I will use this phone to do the calculation. So let me go to calculator. I will type 3,500 times 1 year. That is 12 months. Okay, 312 35 times 12. 35 times 12. So this is the price here, 42,000 for apartment. Check this out, 42,000 for apartment. Just for one single room or one single room. Okay, so 42,000 naira plus 100,000. 142,000. So if you're coming for hardware only for 1 year, so prepare 142,000 naira. So that is the total expenses that you prepare for the training. Okay, the next thing is food. Let me talk about food. For the food, you have to come with your own food. Okay, I'm not the one that will feed you, so have in mind that you're coming to learn something. It's just like going to higher institution. So you go there, then you rent a room for you to stay. You'll be the one to feed yourself. Okay, so it's just like going to boarding school. Okay, so your parent is the one that is going to feed you. So for you, you're going to feed yourself. So have that in mind. Okay, have that in mind. That's it. So the next thing is rules and regulation. I posted my physical training form. I'm very sure that you read everything. So that is how it is. So when you come, is the exactly thing that I will give to you. Then you sign. I strongly recommend you come with your guarantor. If there's no guarantor, you can let me know. Okay. But I strongly recommend you should come with a guarantor so that your guarantor will sign. And I will sign and approve you to start working with Father Joe phone repairs. Okay, if after 1 year and you want to still continue staying with us, you are free, you can let us know. So as soon as you commence the training, a uniform will be given to you. So on the uniform, there will be, a text written on it, Father Joe phone repairs, that you're working with Father Joe. So in case anybody bring phone, you can work on the phone. Okay, so your Father Joe phone repairs will be written on the cloth. So it's important for you to know that. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question about anything, let me know in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye for now. Love you all.